Emmanuel, Emmanuel, your name is Lord. Emmanuel, Umu Baba Mimame, Emmanuel, Emmanuel, Onyama Demonu, your name is Lord. Emmanuel, Beni Mabatago, Emmanuel, for unto us a child is born, unto us a son is given, and his government shall be upon his shoulder, and his name shall be called Emmanuel, which means God is with us. If God is for you, child of God, nobody can be against you. His name shall be called Wonderful Counselor. Emmanuel.